What transformed the United States from a weak young nation into an industrial superpower? How did a country of farmers and small towns become the richest economy on Earth? The answer begins with smoke, steel, railroads, and machines that changed human history forever. This is the story of the Industrial Revolution in America. In the early 1800s, America was mostly rural. Most people lived on farms. Goods were handmade. Travel was slow, and factories were rare. A single shirt could take days to make. A journey between cities could take weeks. But then, everything changed. New inventions from Europe began arriving in America. Machines powered by water, and later steam, started replacing human labor. For the first time in history, production could happen at massive scale, and America was ready to grow. Factories began appearing across the northeastern United States. Textile mills became the first major industry. Clothes that once took days to make could now be produced in hours. Cities like Lowell became symbols of America's industrial future. Young workers flooded into factories, including women and children. The work was exhausting. Long hours, dangerous machines, terrible conditions. But factory owners were becoming incredibly rich. America had entered a new economic age. Then came the invention that changed America forever: the railroad. Before railroads, transporting goods across America was painfully slow. But trains connected cities,